the channel today. Today we're going to be swapping the battery in this Hyundai key. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery, available in most stores, quite a common one. We'll pop that to one side, we'll get straight into it. Let's just double check this key is the same as yours. Quite a straightforward one this to do. If you just hold the key with the blade out, so you've got the back edge facing you here, and just get a screwdriver and just hold the key firmly and just put a little bit of pressure there. As you can see, the back pops off very easily, and that reveals your battery. Your battery's placed in positive side up. If you just go down the side, that clips the battery out. Pop the key down. Smooth side's always your positive side, the negative side has a domed edge. So we get the new battery and we'll carefully clip that in. If you look, there's two little bits of plastic to hook that under on that edge. And then line up the back of the key and literally just clip that back together. And that is job done on your Hyundai key. Hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos and we'll see you soon.